Okay. So, اليوم, as you know, guys, we are in the first week of Christmas, which means that these 2 weeks for the swing trades, يعني for the trade on the currencies, the momentum will be super low. While as you can see on the Dow Jones today, on the US 30, the market was great. We took 3 trades. Last year, we were the only traders and the only communities for the last 2 weeks making trades during the last 2 weeks of the year because of the scalp system with the Dow Jones. So we still have volatility. Also, you can benefit from this. Yani, our focus in the last two, in these 2 weeks will be more on scalp trades during our live stream, and it won't be, of course, all the time. So, like this week, we won't have on Thursday, but we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't know Friday yet, depending on the market, but mainly, and next week also we might have for Tuesday and the rest, or Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we'll see يعني, where the market will be better. But be careful, these 2 weeks make them for learning, for educating yourself, for increasing your skills in trading, for understanding more and more how to do these strategies, how يعني, for reviewing everything that you are working on before. So that's why. So let's see. Let's see here. So we'll start checking these trades. Here we have the US 30. US 30, once again. So what happens exactly here, that the Dow Jones, no big move as swing trade. So only we benefit today with scalp. It was amazing. We made our profit. So we are still holding the same position, the same study. يعني بعد عنا نفس study. As you can see, the market went down daily. CCI percentage R is down. Price action wise, we'll keep waiting the same sell to happen. The same thing that we sent on the Telegram. As you see, we have the sell after wick happen. Already the wick is happening. So we still expect tomorrow to have a wick up. Look, we have high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So we wait to break the slow, to have lower low, and to have the sell again at the same prices, 32,640, 32,640, 32,630 the TP1, 32,580 STP2, 263 TP3, and the TP4 will be 31,844 as the full target almost. As for the buy, we will keep waiting a reversal. So if it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up again, breaking 33,315 or 33, let's say 300, TP1 300, 310, the same that we have. Nothing changed, guys. The same as we sent on Telegram. Just check MNS again, the Telegram, and you will see the same stop loss, take profit. Nothing changed for the US 30. We are still waiting to have the move. For gold now, as you can see, also gold, the daily, we are still no big moves. Nothing really happened today. So we are still waiting for this. Here we have the sell. It will be the same. If we have this move down, we'll have a double top. So we can have a clean traffic at the left, and then it can resume down. Otherwise, if it start to push up tomorrow, makes a wick down and start to push up, breaking this high, also you might start with the buy around 1813 يعني 1813, and to move up to 1814, 1820, 34, and 65. Of course, don't forget your stop loss. So still no big move in this. We have the US oil. Same. Today the market's sleeping. The market's sleeping today. No big move also on oil. Still have the same sell, the same buy. Nothing changed as you watch in the weekly overview. Euro US dollar. opened, made a wick down, and start to push up. On the 30-minute, there was a push up, a certain push up, small one, but it was nice. Look, it opened. We had this move down, and then we have this move up directly. Yeah, 30-minute down, 30-minute up. These are some ununderstandable moves, 30 pips down and then up, and then kept moving up. It was supposed to resume the move down. So if you check 4 or 5 hours ago, the euro, you should see that it had a potential to move down. And then it started to push up and pushed more and more up. So the buy are still the same. The buy is still around 1.0750. The sell still around 1.0550. Okay. GBP USD. Oops. GBP USD. So no big move. Sorry guys. So no big moves, no big change. See here. Here also GBP USD. Also still waiting to break. Didn't break yet. Now it should open, makes a wick up, and then start to push down. The sell 1.0103 also. Then we have a clean traffic down, breaking this support. While now we have a new resistance, and you can have it here. This resistance around 1.2245. So the main buy can stay up. You can check it. But another buy is here almost, especially on the daily. If it opens tomorrow, makes a wick down and start to push up, 122.58, 122, sorry, 55 would be the buy. Stop loss 22.15 or 20, 65 TP1, 23.02 TP3, 23.50 TP4, and 24.12 TP4. Okay, so here you can have the buy also. GBP, JPY, GJ. Okay, it went down. So here first it opened with a, it opened يعني with a gap. So here you could trade the gap while moving up 65, 67 till 97. We had the gap, guys, of 30 pips. You could trade the gap making 30 pips with the GBP JPY today, but also try to move for the buy after this. It took 66, 36, then it didn't hit 46. It went down to hit stop loss, almost 8 pips down and went down. And so we got this trade. Let's see now what we can have on the daily. The daily. Oh my God. We have to move down now. 1 second. Okay, so here what we have exactly, we have potential push down. If it starts to push down, breaking this low, you can have the sell here. This is the low of yesterday. You can have today, yeah, it will be for yesterday. This is the low 1.6490, the sell. Stop loss 65.20. 6480 TP1, 6450 TP2, 64 TP3, and 6350 TP4. This will be a nice sell, a nice potential sell if we want to move down further. As for the buy, I will keep the same buy, nothing changed for the buy, expecting it to keep pushing up. Expecting to keep pushing up if it breaks this resistance. Why? Because this resistance is important. Look, 1, 2, 3, and here even bulk of this is the daily resistance. Important. صراحة مهمة هيدي daily resistance. So and the support will be nice, like a double top, but it's not like a stagnation here and it will break down. So even this, it's a nice sell, as we said. So the buy and the sell will be a good option if they reach the points that we talked about. Bitcoin 16,600, still trying to push down after hitting a high. We are still in the stagnation phase here. It retraced. Look, it made the retracement for the big descending triangle. It made the retracement. It hit it and directly start to move down. As you can see also, we had a dodgy star or shooting star down, and then it opened, made the wick up and start to push down. So the sell again for new people who didn't enter yet the sell of Bitcoin was around 17,632, and so far moving almost 1,000 down and still pushing down. So here we cannot expect any move up of the Bitcoin before breaking 18,740. Otherwise, it can still stagnate in this area until also it breaks again 15,384 15,384 تكسرها ممكن تضلها بمرحلة تراوح هون ترجع تكسر. And if it breaks this level 15,400, we might have a push down. This is the rectangle around 13,167 first, then 12,369, and then 10,000. Let's see what will happen in the crypto market. Okay, so this is it. This is the full update, the fast update of what we call the weekly overview, guys. You can keep discussing what you want to have. At the same time, the scalp is going so good today. The Christmas week was amazing with the scalp. Tomorrow, hopefully the same, and Wednesday as well as Wednesday. Don't forget, Thursday, we won't have a Zoom call. We won't have a live session, and expectively also Friday. So benefit from these 3 days. It will be amazing. Get the more and more education. أكتر شيء جربوا تعلموا قد ما فيكم. Benefit from these last 2 weeks to learn as much as possible, to increase your skills. Of course, on Saturday, I will keep the backtesting session this week. So you can watch what happened and you understand, especially today, we had 3 lovely trades. Watch the replay. Watch, sorry, the live session, the backtesting session. It's very important. There is no there was no recording. Usually the recordings are on YouTube, on the Forex Space YouTube channel, but today we still are facing a small connection problem between the Zoom and the Forex Space. We are retrieving the password to have this link. So hopefully it will be fixed by tomorrow. If not, these 2 days, we won't have the recording for these sessions. So, but we will get them, we will bring them back on Saturday. Saturday, we will have the backtesting session, of course, we'll keep it as usual. And I will explain every trade we took again. So never mind in this. Okay, best of luck. Tomorrow, see you in the live stream. Bye-bye.